Are you seeing the Microsoft Foundation Class 70 Debug DLL error during execution? Your system packages might be corrupted. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist. Let's restore your runtime stability. As we prepare to resolve Microsoft Foundation Class 70 debug, consider using the diagnostic path below to ensure a stable environment for your libraries. This is the Microsoft Foundation Class 70 debug, the diagnostic variant of the MFC framework for Visual Studio 2002. It manages the localized creation of UI frames while providing real-time stack traces for developers. If missing, a debug-compiled industrial or medical tool will fail to initialize its primary window. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. Reinstalling Visual C++.NET 2002. MFC Debug Lib will typically resolve this error. From Microsoft's website, download both x86 and x64 versions of the Visual C++ redistributables and install them. If that initial setup didn't clear the pop-up, let's examine the specific initialization sequence assigned to your applications directory. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered Microsoft Foundation Class 70 debug component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. Since the restart didn't reset the service, we'll manually trigger the refresh now. If you need to pause the video anytime during these instructions, go ahead. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before you wrap up the repair, let's ensure you're following the safest path for your system. Most individual downloads of Microsoft Foundation Class 70 Debug DLL are not digitally signed, meaning they haven't been verified for safety by the original software developer. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. If system conflicts or lag are present, the resource below outlines concepts related to Microsoft Foundation Class 70 debug management. If this engineering-focused approach to fixing Microsoft Foundation Class 70 debug was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to stay updated on Windows security protocols.